Hi there, Steph here from Hofkissed. I'm so excited to be posting this video today for you on August 1st at 10 o'clock in the morning to talk about my new classes to go. I am calling them Comfy Crafters Kits. Not that you aren't welcome in the studio in your comfy clothes or that my studio isn't comfort or comfy. But the idea behind that is that you can be in the comfort of your own home, perhaps in your comfies or your PJs, crafting with me over the internet. And I'm very, very excited to be launching this new part of my business. So studio classes are not disappearing, so don't fret there. I love teaching classes. I love hanging out with all my crafty friends and having a good time here in the studio. But this is just something that has been asked of me over the years to offer classes to go, as they're called, to people that can't attend my studio classes for whatever reason. They live too far away or the date doesn't work out. I mean, I pick a date, I try to keep to a schedule, and that doesn't always work for everybody because of life. You know, life just gets in the way, whatever that might be, work or family or whatever. So doing it this way, this is just an added part to my studio offerings, that you get to do it in your own home with the supplies that you have and the supplies that you will purchase if you need them to complete the projects. And you get to do it on your own time, whether it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon or 1 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to do it on your own schedule, and I'm so excited about that. So what they are is that once a month, so I'm committed to the rest of the year, and then we shall see how it goes. So I've been planning these classes to go that are called Comfy Crafters Kits with Hofkissed. And you, as you can see up here, the idea is that you will place a minimum of a $60 order using this host code. So the host code is going to change every month. So using a host code, and you place an online order on my Stampin' Up site, and I will have a basic list of required materials to complete the projects for that month. So, for example, the required materials for this month's kit would be the Wish for It All stamp set. So this is in the annual catalog. So Wish for It All stamp set, a D block, D as in dog, Memento black ink, and the 2019 to 2021 Stampin' Write markers. So these come as a pack of 5. So these would be 20, I think the stamp set's 30, the black is like $11.50, I think, and the ink is $8.75 or something like that. So it's about $70, let's say. But the minimum you need is $60. So if you need all of these things, then of course your order would be a bit more. But if perhaps you have some of these items, if you have a black ink, it doesn't have to be Memento, but black ink, or you have a clear block to use the stamps on, that is at least the size of a D block, then you don't need to purchase those items, but the order has to be a minimum of $60. So you can order all cardstock if you wanted to, as long as the minimum was $60 before tax, before shipping, before coupons. So coupons, for example, if you placed some orders in July and earned bonus days coupons that are now available to redeem in August, you just have to make sure that the order total is $60 before all those discounts and taxes and shipping. So you can order whatever you want. These items are required to complete the projects, is what I'm saying. there are some other items you might want to add on. For example, that stamp set has lovely, lovely detailed dies. I love these dies. And perhaps that's something that is on your wish list anyway, and you want to order them together now because it goes together with the kit and it will take things further. Of course, you need the die cutting machine and all of that to go with this. These are not required to complete the projects because I have gone ahead and die cut everything for you. But perhaps that's something that you wanted to add. So the only things that are required would be these few items that I've mentioned here. The kits, or the projects rather, that I have prepared for this class to go are just like the projects, the kits that you would receive when you come to a class in the studio. So everything is pre-packaged or packaged together in the envelope with all the little bits and bobs that you need to finish the project. So everything is basically ready to go. All the cutting, all the scoring, all the measuring, in this case, all the die cuts and embossing and that sort of thing, that's all done for you. And like what would happen if you were in the studio taking a class is you would be doing all the stamping and assembling and things like that. So of course, you're not in the studio. You also need other things to assemble the cards, which I call a basic toolkit, which would be adhesive. So, you know, I like the multi-purpose liquid glue, but if you prefer a tape runner or glue stick or some sort of other adhesive, then that works for you to put your cards together. Sometimes a permanent tape runner or double-sided tape or something might be required for projects. Glue dots are a good thing to have in your toolkit. Dimensionals to pop things up, those, and scissors. Good sharp scissors. Excuse me. Kind of having this hiccup burp thing happening. Anyway. My apologies. Okay, so moving on. Basic toolkit. So I'm not ever going to mention that that's required, but you're assembling cards in your own home, so you must have those items. So once you place your order, I will launch new kits on the 1st of every month, and then about 3 weeks, so the 3rd Friday after the 1st, would be the deadline to sign up. And you don't really sign up, you place an order, minimum $60 order using this host code. So this is the host code for August 2019. It will be active from August 1st until August 16th is the Friday, the 3rd Friday. So anyone that places a minimum of $60 order will get the pieces to make 6 projects. So everything cut and ready to go. And I'm not really monitoring what you purchase, but as long as you have what you need to complete the projects, then you are golden. So deadline would be the 3rd Friday of the month. And then that gives me the weekend following to prep all the pieces and get everyone's kits together. And that following Monday after the deadline, the kits will be ready. If you're local to me to pick up in the studio, or I will ship them out to people that aren't local. So that could be anyone, you know, that lives far away from me, or even in another province in Ontario. In Canada, another province in Canada. So, and this can only happen throughout Canada. All right, so the Monday following the deadline, kits will be ready to be picked up, and I will also start shipping out kits to anyone that needs that. And there's no additional fees. So after you place your minimum $60 order, there's no additional fees for these kits or shipping or anything like that. So it's like when you come to certain classes in the studio and you place a minimum order to get smaller fee for the class. Just this way, it's a little bit of a bigger order and you get a free class. All right. That Monday, also, I will be sending out emails to everyone that registered or ordered with this host code for the class. I will be sending a personal video link to the step-by-step video. So as I do my videos and I kind of demo one project, I would have a long video demoing how to put together all the pieces. So it's like you're getting your own personal tutorial and you're sitting right next to me in class and it's just you and me and we're making cards. But you get to do that in the comfort of your home. So it will be a step-by-step video tutorial. I will send you the link. It is a private link, and you will also be emailed a PDF document which will have pictures of all the projects, guidelines, measuring, supplies that I used on the project, and so forth, so that if you ever wanted to recreate a project or use that fancy fold in another project, you will have all of that information available to you. The projects that I include in these kits to go, these classes to go, are exclusive projects. You're not going to find them posted on my social media. You're not going to see them in a class in studio. You're not going to get any other measurements unless you join the class. So these are exclusive projects. I'm not doing away with studio classes. I love teaching and I love meeting people in my home or in their home or their office environment or wherever that might be. So I'm not doing away with studio face-to-face type classes. This is just another venture in my business and something that has been asked of me over the years. So I'm excited to launch this. And other than this video, you're not going to see these projects anywhere else. So I posted a little teaser today. So this is a video, and I will launch a video similar to this without all the explanation every month. But along with a teaser on the first of the month, I will launch a video following, just showcasing the projects. So not talking about how I put them together or step-by-step instructions or anything like that, just showing you the projects that will be included in the kit. So this is project 1, just 3 little cutesy little doily type tags. Cute. Project 2 are 5 little note cards and envelopes packaged with twine. So it's an awesome little birthday gift or hostess gift or something like that. You will get all the pieces. I'm not showing you all the designs because when I do the video, I will show you several different designs, and because you'll have the stamp set and the other products needed to create, you can just design these however you want, and I will give you the pieces. These ones will be more step-by-step. So this is project number 3. Cute, cute, cute. This is a perfect card for anniversary, wedding, any sort of engagement like that. Could be a birthday card, could be whatever you want. And while I'm using these types of sentiments, because you have the stamp set in your own home and you're using your own inks and everything, you can omit the sentiment and change it up however you want. All right, this is project number 4. A little bit of a fancy fold happening here, and a different way of it opening, and some glitz and glam and shimmer on this card. So this is project number 4. Project number 5, another card. And I'm not showing you the envelopes, but of course all the cards come with envelopes. So this is project 5. So again, some shimmer happening on here. This card has a belly band and is also a fancy fold. And it's not just a card, it pops up into a box. How cool is that? Have you ever seen that before? Should you want to use this as a card, it will also come with a little white flat card that you can use. And this is perfect for, oh, let's see, these gift tags. Those would fit in there, and it still fits flat. It could fit a gift card. It could fit money. It could fit some small chocolates. Somebody could open it up and see nothing. It's just a cute little box. It's just a different type of fold. So those are the projects. You might be thinking to yourself, hey, Steph, those are only 5 projects. You said 6. Yes, there are going to be 6 projects. The 6th project is a card, and I decided that there should be a little bit of mystery. So I'm not showing you the 6th card. You'll just have to wait and see what that 6th card is when you join this class to go. So, Comfy Crafters Kits, I'm so excited to launch this starting today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer your questions, and I look forward to continuing this venture over the next coming months. I have ordered and planned some of the upcoming classes, so I'm quite excited. In one of my Wednesday videos, so weekly on Wednesdays videos, I do those every Wednesday at 2 p.m. and I always demo one project. So kind of in between the first and the third Friday of the month, so kind of the timeline to sign up for these classes to go, I will demo a different card using this product just to show you a different way to use them. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you're excited about this new venture that I'm taking, and please, if you have any questions, reach out. I'm so excited about this. How many times have I said that in the video? I don't know, but that's all I have for you today. So we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.